Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SIM is locked or enter PUK whenever you're looking to use a SIM card on your iPhone. Now, these two messages come pair to pair. The reason why you're getting the first message is SIM is locked is that your SIM card might have a lock to it. And if you set a lock, you just simply need to enter it. Now, if you don't know it, just keep entering it a few times. And once you enter it a few times, you're going to basically get this message here. Now, this message basically means your SIM card has basically a code attached with it. When you originally get a card from your carrier, it's going to be listed there. You can find that code there so you can enter it here. Now, for some reason, you don't have that code on the card there, or you lost the card or threw that card away, you'll need to, like it says over here, call your carrier. Basically, the company that you're getting your phone service from, whether it's T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, whatever the carrier is, they actually have that on their side as well. They just need to verify a couple information from you, just such as your name, your account information, and your phone number to verify that you're the right person. And then from there on, they can give you that code, and you can go ahead and enter the code. Usually it's a 7-digit or 8-digit code. And once you get that from there, you just enter that, and then it will just go ahead and unlock your phone, and you'll be able to use the SIM card with it. Again, really simple. So if you are in the SIM lock, just keep on entering the code till you get this. Or if you know the SIM card code, just enter it. Of course, if you don't, just get to this menu by entering a couple of these attempts till you get this menu like this, and call your carrier up, and they'll be able to help you if you don't have it from the card that you can enter. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.